Watch this video and learn how to draw a candy corn. Yeah!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Well, that's very polite of you. What would you like to do today?
Artie, wanna make art? Yeah.
I think you love art, don't you?
Artie love art.
Yes, you do. Should we draw a candy corn?
Yeah. Yes, please.
I know you like candy corns.
It's great to see everybody today.
It's a real pleasure.
Are you ready, Artie? Okay, let's begin.
Okay.
We're going to start by drawing our candy corn's eyes right in the middle of the page. So let's start with a big circle. Nice job, Artie. Now, instead of a circle on the right side, let's do an oval shape. Very good.
Mikey, do you like Artie's hair?
Yeah, orange is one of my favorite colors.
Now let's do a tiny little circle in the middle and let's shade it in black. That's it. And then let's do the same in the middle of the oval. A little circle shaded in black. Now we're going to draw the candy corn shape. Start with a little hook in the bottom left side and then draw a big line all the way up to the top. Should we get some candy corn later on this afternoon, Artie?
Okay.
Let's do a little hook shape on the right hand side and then again come all the way up to the top. Let's join the two lines together at the top with half a circle. That's looking good. If you're drawing along at home and we're going a little bit too fast, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw a line across to the eye and stop, and then across on the other side. That's it. And then let's do another line about a third of the way down, but make sure you stop and leave space for our candy corn's mouth. Let's draw a big tongue sticking out first. The tongue is really just a U shape with a little line in the middle. Now let's do a smiley curve along the top with little curves at the end. And then complete the lines we did earlier. Make them go all the way and stop at the tongue. Let's draw a little triangle on the right side of the mouth and we'll fill it in black. That looks great. Let's do the same on the left side. Fill it in black all the way, nice solid black shape.
Oh, wait.
You want a joke break? Come on then.
All right, welcome back to the Comedy Club. I'm your host, Mikey Marker. In case you don't know, I'm the star of the Artie show. Just don't tell Artie. All right, let's start it off with some jokes about animals. So, why did the leopard stop playing hide and seek? It's because he's always spotted. All right. What do you call a pig that does karate? A poke chop. All right, what kind of sandals do frogs wear? open-toed.
Open-toed. Oh, Mikey. Come on, Artie. Let's draw some arms. 2 lines going up for our candy corn's right arm. Let's draw a hand on the end. Do a little curly shape for the thumb. That's it. And then other curly shapes coming around. They're going to be the fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then connect the arm to that third finger. There we go. Now let's do the left arm. Same thing. Let's do 2 lines going up. That's the arm. And then let's do the hand on the end. A little curly shape for the thumb. And then let's add some fingers. 1, 2, 3. Complete the hand. And there we go. That looks like a happy candy corn. He can't wait to be eaten. Let's draw his legs. 2 lines, make a skinny left leg. And another 2 lines, make a nice skinny right leg. Now, what kind of shoes would a candy corn wear?
Boots.
Boots? You think a candy corn would wear boots? Okay, why not? Do a big curve for the toe, Artie. That's it. Now connect the toe all the way round to the heel. There you go. Let's do a nice thick sole and some laces. You're really getting into this one, Artie. I can see you're enjoying it. It's very good to enjoy your art. Now let's complete this right boot. Nice big toe, back to the heel, and a sole again. That's right. All the way across, Artie. There you go. You finished? Good job, Artie. You know what? Why don't we colour it in now?
It's coloring time!
Finished? It looks so good, Artie. I love the way you coloured it in orange, yellow and white with green boots. It's wonderful.
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
Well, little artists, we hope you followed along at home, and we really hope you have an arty day. But we've got to say bye-bye now. Are you going to say bye-bye, Artie?
Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.